day, what is this, day 4? Week, what, 18, 19, help me out. This is week what?
19.
Week 19. How you say 19 in Spanish? Anyone know? I know I say it in French. It's 18, but no, 19, but in Spanish I don't know. But this is week. Cooper, you don't know?
I said DC in Nueve, I think.
Say it again.
DC Nueve, I think.
I don't know what it is.
Something like that.
Okay, all right. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I don't. I don't know what it is. Honestly, I don't know what it is. But in Spanish, I don't know what it is. But in French, it's 19. This is the 19th week of our journey here together. I'm looking for though. I'm looking for the, yeah. There we go. This course. All right. So 2012. So this is the last one that we gonna do for this week. We did 2010, 20, 11, and now hopefully we're gonna get through 2012. Let me I'm trying to get on. Okay. All right, no, they don't happen. So got us beyond the first question. All right, good. So let's begin. Again, no calculator. Let's just do it by hand. And let me know which letter is it. Is it A, B, C, or D? What do you think it is? A, B, C, or D? Sorry, A, B, or C. So we add those three numbers. Y'all gonna see what I want to do.
I say B.
You say B. Ah, Kennedy is there. Good stuff. You say what?
B.
B. All right. Anyone else want to second that?
B.
B. All right. So let's move on with that. They say B. All right. So it is B. All right. Next up we have um. Next up we have the subtraction. Do that for me, please. Um. What is these two subtracted by each other?
It's 2 1. It's 2 1 6 2 1 6 3.
Say it again.
Yeah, 2 6 3.
It's A.
Yes, sir.
It's A. Anyone else?
Yes, sir.
I agree.
You agree? It's A. Okay. All right. All right. One moment. Okay. All right. Thank you. You wanna know? All right. What do we get for this one?
C.
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 What it is?
C. C as in cat. Meow.
Yeah. Kennedy, you have a charisma to you, you know. That's good. See us in chat. All right. All right. Confirm that. All right. Moving right along. What else? This one is five. Once. I'm sorry. 1795 divided by 5. 1795 divided by 5.
B.
All right. Say B.
That's
Anyone else
all.
want to second that?
Hold on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Give me
I
one
said
moment. Let me
Yes,
send
sir.
something to my email. Oh, I sent something to myself that I know I can read. Let me see if I have that out. 2016, paper 3. Mm, I'm trying to send to myself paper 3 the stuff we're gonna do for the Bgcse ones. Um, 2020 paper 3. But did 2018. Good. This one 2016. Yeah, I'll send that to myself. Okay, good. All right, good. All right, so let's go back to this. All right, so what you say the answer is?
B.
B. All right, B. 359. That's absolutely correct. I hope y'all don't get none wrong today.
You're making no promises, but we could try.
Which letter in the diagram represents a pentagon?
D.
Anyone else?
I say D.
You say D. You say D. Anyone else? Anyone else? D. Anyone else? Just Miss Cooper and Kennedy with D. Anyone else with D? No one else? All right, I guess they didn't want to talk. What shape is Ado? So what? It has how much shape? How much sides? Y'all get at me?
Yes, sir.
How much sides does it have?
A trapezoid.
I just want a general name. I don't want any specific.
Oh, I know.
Quadrilateral. That is a regular quadrilateral. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is also quadrilateral. This one is a triangle. Um, and this one has how much sides? 5 sides, and so therefore it is a pentagon. So it's D.
I think a trick I had to this with a pentagon. I already think like Pentecost because it's 50 days in Pentecost, and I think of that.
Mhm, mhm, mhm. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one, Kennedy. Okay, so that you good with that? All right, round 3.463 to the nearest hundred.
A.
A. Okay. Anyone else?
B.
B. Someone said B.
My bonus of the A.
A. Okay.
Let's look at the good.
Let's look at it again. Okay. All right. All right. So
It's
round
A.
it's A. Well, the reason why I'd say it's A because we want to round it to the nearest hundredth, right? Hundredth. So this is the, be careful, this is the 10th. So 4 is in the 10th place. That's T N T H. 4 is in the 10th place. 6 is in the what?
100.
100th place. And so what we have to do is with this one, we have to, of course, circle this, underline that. Yeah. No. I'm doing kind of the wrong numbers. We would, because 6 is in 100, so we circle this one. We underline this one. We know that that 3 is what? Less than 5, right? Right? Hello? Is 3 less than 5?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so 3
Yes,
is less
sir.
than 5.
Most definitely.
3 is less than 5. Alright. And so since 3 is less than 5, we are going to round up or down?
Down.
We round
Same.
down. So that means that we do not include, since we round down, we do not include the 3. Alright. We just write the number back together. So it's just 3.46. Alright, so that's important now. 3.46. Alright, so let's see. Alright, so draw in the lines of symmetry for the diagram below. Draw in the lines of symmetry for the diagram below.
Good draw.
Oh, scroll down a.
Yes, sir. Um, C. Say C. It looks.
What
When
looks
I
C.
look at it, I was thinking at that exact spot, but then I was like, if it ain't that one, then I don't think that could be.
Is either that or none?
it's either what?
Yeah, C or none.
C or none. Okay.
Yeah,
Anyone else want to give it a
it's
thought?
either it's that's the one.
That's the only thing that comes to mind. Alright, so we're gonna go with C. Let's go. Alright, it's actually C. Alright, and the reason why it's C is because you see, get it? It's C because you see that. Get it?
Wow, good job. Good job.
Aha! Oh my goodness.
Alright, it's C because look carefully, right? If we were to
I just catch me.
if we were to cut this in half, these two would, I mean, I guess the best thing for me to do to really show it is um like let's look at it. So it's almost like it looked like a V, really. Like you see that? Almost like a heart. And so look at that. You see that? So if we slice that in the middle and we connect both ends, like they are exactly in reflection to each other. Because the way you know is that it's easy to tell, like if you look at this point here and this point here, right? They are exactly the same distance apart. And then if you look at this and this point here, right? They are exactly the same distance away from that, right? And then if we look at this point here and this point here, they're exactly the same distance away. You see what I'm saying? And then this one and that one, they are
And you said
exactly.
that because, like, if I flip it on it looked like if I flip it, it should line up. So that's
Yeah,
why.
if you flip it, it should line up, right? And so yeah, that's the idea there. Okay, so this is the only line of symmetry that the shape has. I'm gonna do one more of these and then I'm gonna switch over to the Bgcse questions. Um,
Already?
I'll go back and forth because I don't want to run out of time right now. Yes.
They deserve.
No, they don't. All right. Express is 0.64 as a fraction in lowest terms. So let's go. 0.64 as a fraction in lowest terms.
It's B. No mind.
Say it's B or A or C.
A?
A.
Yes, sir. Simplified is A. B
Simplified.
is the
I
B.
agree.
B
I
is
agree. Wait. No, it's C.
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 It's C because it's simplified. It can be simplified again.
Or
Mm.
shorts.
Mm. Mm. Oh, really? Mm.
Yes.
Ick.
How thou faith?
Have thou faith. Ah, that's a new one. Have thou faith. Ah, have thou faith. That's a good one. So it's C, you're saying.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bye bye. Let's see.
It's actually true. Okay, so it's C.
I didn't even see that one.
Because 32 and 50, if you divide 50 by 2, you get 25. And if you divide 32 by 2, you get 16.
I ain't gonna see that. I see that one.
Yeah,
I just leave it right there.
yeah. But once they're even numbers, once they're two even numbers, automatically, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I don't know how long this class can last tonight because my charger I left at school, I realized. And this don't only in my
Oh
room.
wow.
On my internet acting foolish tonight, so
So we can see how long it lasts. And then after that we could call it quits.
you put on battery saving mode?
Is that a thing?
Yeah.
I don't know. Can't
Just
tell.
bring it all the way down for better battery life. You have to
I could
update.
probably last like an hour.
I don't even know. I already turned the lights off though.
I think you have to update your laptop because
Battery saver mode is right now.
Oh shoot, it's already stopped. My goodness. Okay, yeah, it's on now. Okay. Okay, so
that can last till about 7.
yeah, we hope, yeah. Okay, so let's move. So this is what I want to look at Some people 3 questions like we did yesterday. So, um, we did this yesterday. Did we finish this? I remember us doing this one. I believe they could use another one of these tools because I don't think they really understand. So, or if you all, for those who don't Bgcse, you want me to do this over or I do another one of these, or you want to move on from this particular question?
You could sorry, just tired, so I laid back. You could you didn't do D, and then if after D, if we could like do a practice,
Do an
that'll
example, yeah.
be,
Okay.
yeah, I think that'll be really helpful.
Okay. K inverse. Remember we did, I said this homework before, K inverse. But we could do it again. So we want to find what K inverse is.
I thought
You saw it before, right? Yeah.
I hit you.
Yeah, we did it before, but some things don't stick. You gotta do it again and again and again and again. And that's fine. That's called practice. You know, even the best basketball players still practice before they enter a game. Why you think so? Because you get rusty, no matter how good you think you are. If you don't practice, you lose it. That's just life. So you have to practice, even if you're good. Alright, so yeah, so we have K of T, and we're trying to find the inverse of K of T, and so it's gonna be K of T equals to 4 plus T divided by 3. Now here, um, we're gonna let y equals K of T, so we set y equals to K of T, and it's gonna be y equals to 4 plus T over 3. And the next thing we do, we interchange y and t, right? We switch them, so it's going to be t here equals to 4 plus y all divided by 3. And then we solve for y. What do we do to solve for y? What do you think would be a good thing that we could do to solve for y? I have that from y'all, so let me know. How can we solve for y?
Switch.
To the inverse of both sides.
The inverse of both sides.
Wait, we're solving for what? Y, right?
Trying to solve for y, yeah. How could I do
So
that?
you like swap the.
Go ahead, Alicia.
Just asking, do you like swap the Y and the T, or you like?
Oh, we already did that.
Oh, sorry.
So do we like multiply both sides by 3?
That's one way, or we could just cross multiply.
Yeah, multiply by 3, and then you cancel off the bottom.
Very good. So we cross multiply. So 3 times t is what? 3t. And then 1 times 4 plus y is simply 4 plus y. Now, we want to solve for y. So what must we do to solve for y? Hello, what must we do to solve for y?
Carry the 4 over.
Carry the 4 over the equal sign. So we are left with what? 3t minus 4, which equals to what?
Y.
Y. So therefore, the inverse of k of t is equal to 3t minus 4. Okay, and so that's how we would do that. The first thing we do is we set k of t equal to y. Then, and of course we bring this back down. Then we switch the y and the t. We switch them. So t goes on this side, y goes on this side. Then we cross multiply. So 3 times t and 1 times 4 plus y gives us 3t equals to 4 plus y. Send the 4 over. We are left with 3t minus 4 equals y. And so therefore k inverse equals 3t minus 4. Okay, and so that's what we do here. Any questions?
Also, could we hold on? Let me put it down. Could we get some practice on that? And you can leave it on the screen for just a minute longer. Let me write that down, please.
Can you screenshot it so that I could
All right, then you can move on.
yeah, so that I could let me give you similar to that. In the meantime, between time, which more time we have? So 22. I see. Okay. All right. So let me go back here. Get another one of these questions in, and then we go back to that Bgcse question, and I give you another example for that. No, we was in here. We was on question 1A. We was on question what? Question. Oh, I only did 6. So I think we ran out. I think that was the last one. Okay. So question 6 is the last one for this one. So preview. What this one is. Did we do it? Yeah, we did it. Okay, so that was the last one of that. Okay, so that means that. Let me give you all an example. So we're going to do examples similar to this. And so I'll say, given that h of t equals to 8 minus 4t and k of t equals 2, let's say it's equal to 5 plus t over 2. I want you to find the value or calculate the value of h of t, h of, let's say h of 3 still. B, tell me what t, where k of t is equal to 9. And then for C, I want you to give me a simplified expression for KH of T, and then for D, I want you to give me K inverse. K inverse of T. All right, so do that for me, please. Let me do this.
So you can't borrow a charger from nobody?
I think I'll. No, I was trying to, but the person can't find it. So, um,
Boy,
yeah. So I guess I'll probably just screen from my phone. So I'll have to do. So do that one for me, please.
Um, after A, I got -4. So I'll do B right now, but I got -4 for A.
Okay, good. I'm glad you said that. Anyone else for A? H of 3. Kennedy, Caro, Cooper. Don't laugh. This is stuff we do all
I
the time.
don't. I don't know what to do.
No, you can't tell me what not to do. We did this yesterday. You can't tell me what to do. Substitute
that's it.
3 into T. That's easy stuff.
I can watch y'all do it again because, like,
It's like
I see a lot.
that's good.
Like, just, these things just confuse me.
Okay, you can watch us do it again, but don't forget this line. Okay.
I can screenshot it.
This is the last time I forget. I promise you, I'm gonna get all this right.
All right. All right. Are you sure?
I don't
Mm,
want.
I get -4 for 8.
You get -4 for 8. Okay. All right. That's good.
For B, I got T equals 22.
T equals 22. You said.
B, yeah, T
B
equals
is A
22. I can
is
do C right now to C.
okay.
Wait, what? I didn't hear you. Sorry.
No, you said A was what?
I said A was -4,
Mm-hmm.
and then I said B was T equals 22.
Okay. All right. All right. So let me do B, and then we could follow through. So with A, we want to
just
find
repeat after you do every question. You could leave it there for a second for me to screenshot.
okay, no problem. So we're trying to do A. So A is what? H of 3. But we know that H is H of 3. And what we basically doing, fuck, let me just move this and put the function there in front of it before I even deal with that. So 8 minus 4t, right? So the idea is that we want H of 3, right? And so wherever you see t, you have to put what
3.
what number 3. Very good. So it's gonna be 3 bracket equals to 8 minus 4. Instead of putting this t, we're gonna do what?
3.
Put 3. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Put 3. So here we're gonna put 3, 12. Good. And so now we have h of 3 still there. And so it's gonna be equal to 8 minus what is 4 times 3?
12.
12. 12.
12. Very good. 12. And then what is h? What is 8 minus 12?
Negative 4.
That's what?
Negative 4.
Negative.
That's it?
That's it.
I got 13 minus 40 over 3. I mean, over 2, sorry.
All right. So that's how we do that one. All right. Good. So we got that. All right. So what I want you to do AI. This is in here, but I want to put it out for those who didn't get a chance to do AI. And AI is gonna be tell me what is h of 4.
Mr. Petit?
Yes, ma'am. Tell me what is h of 4. That's for Kennedy and Alicia. Not Alicia, Kennedy and
Mr. Petit?
That's the whole.
Kennedy and Cooper, who wasn't able to do it earlier.
So we using them same numbers?
Just use instead of 3, use 4.
Okay.
You know what? Don't use 4. Let's do h of 5.
Mr. Petit?
Yes, ma'am. You can hear
Okay.
me?
You was cutting out the entire 3 minutes just now.
What?
I could hear you.
I could hear you going petite, but I didn't know if you could hear me.
No. Anyway, I changed my answer for B. I want to put it as 13.
13.
T equals 13.
No problem.
That's all.
It's 7.
What you get 7 for h of 5?
No, for B.
Oh, for B
What?
you get 7? Let me see what you do AI. Tell me what you get for AI.
Good.
Do AI.
What? Wait, you mean the first one?
AI. I just put this one out for those who didn't know how to do A.
Oh,
I get negative 12 for AI.
Negative 12?
Me too. I just get it.
Negative 12, okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
AI, sorry, because you was cutting out, so I didn't hear you.
What did you get for AI? Some people say they got -12.
No, I asked you was I supposed to do it because I didn't hear when you said to do it. That's why you were cutting out for the whole 3 minutes, so I didn't hear nothing.
Oh, I was saying AI is for those who wasn't able to do A.
Oh, okay. So
Right?
just continue doing the ones you have there then.
Yeah. If you already did it.
All right. Did I give you my answer for C?
No, you never did. Give me answer for C. I like it wrong.
Oh, I got 13 minus 40 over 2.
Okay. 13 minus 40 over 2. Sounds right. Let's do H of 5 and then we go to B. Let me see how much we have though. Okay. You could at least make it a 7 something. Okay, so here it's gonna be what? 8 minus 4. T is what? Let's say 5. Yeah. It's what? 8 minus, what is 4 times 5? That's what? 20. Very good.
30.
Equals to 8 minus 20 is
-12.
negative 12. Good. See how easy that was?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Math is easy, don't make it hard.
It was hard because we didn't know it was there.
Alright, now let's do B. The moment of truth, right?
Awesome.
Yeah, let's do B. Okay, so someone is answering the enter and join. Lionel, oh boy. Lionel trading on the phone. Hey Lionel, how you doing?
Mr. BT, why you take like decades to add me in the class?
Because we is have
That's my bad, then tell him.
we is be actually in class, so like
I thought no class was yesterday, because
And the notification.
I waited like 40 minutes and I said yeah, no class then.
what? No man. That's probably this is what happened. Well, we in class in the groove. Um, I hear it sometimes and say, okay, I'm gonna get to it and then forget it. Or that's why I just come early. Just come early. I think
All right.
that'll avoid all the things. So forgive me though. Um, it's not intentional. All right, B. We want K of T where K we want T where K of T is 9. So K of T equals to 9.
Don't ignore that sound.
I know, right? Oh boy.
Well, you should ignore that action.
Hey, Mr. Bethel. So happy to have you here. It's indeed a pleasure.
Yes, sir.
Cool boy. You dangerous.
Hey, good day, good day.
Cool boy just is telling me how I should kick you out. Keep you out.
Yeah, I feel that elephant in the room.
You feel it, eh? You feel
Hi, Mr. Bethel.
Hello.
Alright, so 5 plus t over 2 equals 9. That's what k of t is. And so we said that equal to 9.
But Mr. BT, I ain't come just in time though.
You come just in time?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess so. I don't know. You mean since we're doing BGCSE questions?
What we cross
Yeah.
multiply?
We just start early. Yeah, cross multiplied. Uh-huh.
Oh wow, I did not get that. Wow.
Yeah, we had to cross multiply for this one. Because we're trying to find t, isn't it? Alright.
Yes, sir.
Trying to find t. Don't get the plus sign and t mixed up now. That's a Mistakes students like to make. And then 2 times 9 is going to be what?
18.
1 times 5 plus t is what?
5 plus 2.
5 plus 2. All right, so here we want to do what?
Carry the 5 over.
Carry the 5 over the equal sign. And so it's going to be...
Oh yeah, Mr. Bgcse, I have one more thing to tell you.
Yes,
Did you send me the 2020 Bgcse paper too?
when I look back at my files, I didn't save that to a PDF, so it got it got restructured bad, like such that the answers was on the floating, and I have to reorganize it all together. So I
13.
so I can't send that. The one thing I can say is look at the go to my go to my channel. Look at last week 18 videos and see if you see 2020 in it. It should be week 18. I hope it's week 18. Look at week 18 videos. Right?
I guess 13.
So t equals to, what is 18 minus 5?
13.
13. So that's how we got that. I think we could use another one of that. What do you think?
I think I get it.
You get it?
I got
Pretty solid.
Pretty
I got the
solid.
same answer.
That's good. So y'all learn another example of this one?
No, sir.
I don't know if Ricardo would want it, depending on.
Ricardo is this one.
Yeah.
Example of this one. Of B.
Because it's also sitting exams. I figured they'll be the ones that would say.
Very good, Mr. D.
Okay, good. I guess 1 is good also. I'm pretty sure. Now, C.
Listen.
Yes, ma'am.
When they listen.
I can't hear you.
I say when they math exam.
Their math exam is what? The 30th and 31st, or?
Oh, so before I want.
It's before y'all. Yeah. Way before.
Yeah.
Way before. Y'all have me here.
After the exam, they gonna be gone, right?
You want them to pop in like I used to pop in?
Yes. They can be gone, right?
Yeah, they can be gone.
Ah.
You got the remote?
Don't worry, Miss Cooper. Just pay my way and I'll be here.
Yeah, they could be officially gone. Yeah.
I'll be back in
No, never to return. Never to return. They could be gone. All right. All right, so C is, write a simplified expression for K of H of B. So go ahead.
No, sorry, I misinterpreted. I can say my answer, but you already know it. So
Yeah, you said that before, so we're just gonna see if there's. Repeat it again for me, please.
I got 13. Yeah, I got 13 minus 40 over 2.
13 minus 40 over 2.
I saw.
13 minus 40. Aye. We soon I have to switch over to my phone. So I hope I can do this question before I go.
You don't have no charger?
Charge at school after the school.
How does that happen?
So we're ending class when your laptop dies?
No, I said I'm gonna switch over to my phone. There's gonna be a smaller screen though, but
Okay.
I'll switch over. Okay, so we have what? It's going to be K H of T equal to, we're going to put the um H of T inside of the K of T, right? And so we look at this function, we look at this, and we have to put, instead of T, we're going to put H of T, okay? So instead of T, we're going to put H of T. And so we still keep the regular 5, that's nice, plus we still keep the division sign over 2, still keep that, but we put H of T instead of the T, all right? Next, we have 5 plus
8, bracket 8.
open bracket. So we have to put what H of T is, right? H of T is
8
8
minus 40.
minus 40. That's what H of T is.
Wait, what you do? How you do the second step again?
How I do the second step, very good. So
As in-
H of T, you mean this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we trying to put, you notice H of T, right?
Yes, sir.
So H of T is inside K,
Mm-hmm.
right? So instead of putting this T here, right, we're gonna put H of T inside that, right? So H of T goes inside this instead of T, right? So H of T
Okay.
replaces T. So here we have 5 plus T, but we're gonna say no, no, no. It's gonna be 5 plus H of T. Okay, that's how it's gonna go.
So
And
the 5 is K.
say it again.
So the 5
Okay,
is isn't it?
no, we keep the 5, we keep the plus, we keep the divided by 2. All we do is change H of T.
Oh,
You see what I'm saying?
yes,
That's
sir.
what we do. Now, what is H of T? H of T is what? 8 minus
8
40.
minus 40.
Yeah, so we substitute that out. Okay, and so we say, well, it's going to be equal to 5 plus 8 is what?
13.
13. Very good. Minus the 40 that we left over. 40 divided by 2. All right, and so that's how you do something like that.
So,
All right. Any questions on that?
No,
Do we
sir.
inverse that?
Say it again.
Do we ever have to inverse this?
Yes, that's D. But you can't. You're not gonna inverse this though, right? You inverse K of T, but you're not gonna inverse. You're not gonna inverse the composition of two functions. No.
Okay, I tried D. I don't know if my answer is correct.
Okay.
I got 3T minus 5.
I was gonna say I got that as well.
Yeah, 3T minus 5. So I don't know.
Say it again.
I got 3T minus 5.
3T minus 5. That's true. What?
Mm-hmm.
For the inverse. That's what you get, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone else?
I was saying I got that too. Hello?
Yeah. I say, all right. That's fine. Anyone else want to second that? No? Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so we have, so the inverse, right? It's going to be, well, define the inverse. First we just write k of t, whatever that is. That's equal to what? What do we say k of t is equal to?
Can I second me?
You're gonna second you? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you that sure?
I gotta be more confident in my answers nowadays.
Okay, all right.
With that thing,
So she confident in
second
her
me.
this thing. That's cool.
LOL.
That's cool. Boy, if you're wrong, Nance. If you're wrong,
I did, Miss Rudy.
if you're wrong, I ain't gonna lie, that could be hilarious, right? But it's a good start, right? She puts all in. That's good. So what the first thing we do is we replace k of t with y. It's gonna be equal to 5 plus t divided by 2. What's the next step that we do?
We multiply both sides by 2. I mean, we swap it, so it'll be
Yeah.
t.
So we switch it. So it's gonna be we switch y and t. So it's gonna be t is equal to 5 plus y divided
Okay, I
by
changed it to 2t. Sorry, 2t. And I second me again.
okay.
So I'm going to
Lower.
2t, and I'm a second me again.
All right.
Where the Y come from?
The y. What do you mean the y here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we let y equals to k of t because we don't want to keep on writing k of t, right? So
Or you just put that there.
yeah, we just say let y equals to k of t, right? So we want to work with y instead of k of t. Make it easier for us. Okay. Okay, so t equals to 5 plus y divided by 2. The next thing we do is we cross multiply, isn't it? And so it's gonna be
Yes, sir.
2 times
2t
2
on
times 2 times t is 2t
2t.
equals to 1 times 5 plus y is gonna be equal to 5
Like 5.
plus y, right? And then
You're going to carry
we carry the 5 over.
the 5 over.
Yeah,
Okay, I feel good. All right, I feel
that's
nice.
good. So
2t minus 5 equals y.
equals
Oh,
y.
shoot. I got this.
Very good. So the inverse, k inverse of t is equal to what? 2t minus 5, right? And so that's how we would do something like that. Excuse me.
These questions would be like what? How much in the how much in the exam?
On the exam,
Yes,
well,
sir.
let's look at the papers. Let's see what they say. Um, no, 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 no. Um, just add it up. Okay, we almost ready to die. How much more minutes? We have 8 minutes. Okay, Altogether, it's 2, 4, 6, 7 points. Altogether. That's nice.
My word.
Nice 7 points. Easy 7 points. Important 7 points.
All that work. Then,
Showing it to be 20 points, Nancy.
10 at least.
At least 10.
Say at least 10. Mercy. For that little bit thing? That little
Yeah.
bit.
Yeah, just rack our brain, you know.
But you do realize that the exam is with 100. So if that is sorry, if that is okay, if that is out of if that is what you're talking about, if that is 20, that means that's 20 over 100 of your grade. That's a lot. No, but you say 10. All you want is 10. Okay. You want to ask for 20. But 10 is still a lot. 10 is
City,
still a lot.
Mr. D, you can go back in the question, yes?
Yeah, let me go back.